What else did we cook, Arlo?
Cook eggs.
Well, we're cooking eggs now, but what did we cook before?
Cook pancakes.
Pat cake. Is it yummy?
Look. Okay.
Did you have a taste before we cooked it?
It's your oven.
It's in the oven.
Taste.
Does it taste nice?
How much?
It's all over your hands, isn't it?
Pancakes.
Okay.
Try, Mommy.
Oh, should I try? Yum. Okay, I'll have some with you.